to your question, why is regularity important? Well, it turns out that your behavior is another thing that will tell your brain. So meaning, when you go to bed and wake up at the same time, it acts like an anchor. It anchors your circadian rhythm. And it tells you, almost like a scene in a movie, this scene is now complete. So every time that you're going to bed at the same time and waking up at the same time, you are feeding the suprachiasmatic nucleus, the master 24-hour clock in your brain. You're feeding it signals of regularity. And when it feeds on signals of regularity, it improves the quantity and the quality of your sleep. Your circadian rhythm likes consistency. It likes regular signals. When you feed it signals of light, of activity, of waking up, going to bed, you improve the quantity and the quality of your sleep.
But having a TV in your bedroom is a terrible idea then, because if, on that behavioral point, if I'm getting in bed, but then I'm staying up for 3 hours watching Netflix, my brain is going to be quite confused about like the behavioral pattern of what I'm doing in my life. It's not going to associate the bed with sleep. It's going to associate the bed with movies.
Now, the same thing is true with the bed. If you start associating the bed with anything other than sleep, and we give you a pass in terms of sex, but sleep and sex, anything other than that, you start to learn that this thing called my bed is this place where I'm awake, where I work, where I eat, where we have conversations, where I watch television. And so, if I were to, and again, I'm stealing Michael Grender's point, but if I were to say to you, bed, sleep, bed, sleep, bed, sleep, bed, sleep, bed.
Sleep.
Okay, if I were to say bed, scroll, bed, eat, bed, work, bed, sleep, bed, TV, bed, you've confused.